Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my coffee treatment. Now, if you don't know, coffee stimulates hair growth and reduce hair loss, makes it shinier and softer. At least it did for my hair. Okay, so make sure you use caffeinated coffee. Do not use decaf because it will not work. So all I did was put some water in a jar and I microwaved it for about 2 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to put the coffee 3 scoops inside the jar. So let me show you what the scoop looks like. I'm a little heavy-handed, so there you go. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. All right, so I put 3 scoops in here. I got a spoon and I stirred it up, but I'm going to actually let it sit for a few hours or so, and then I'm going to strain it and put it inside of my concentrated bottle. Now, I like the one with the nozzle because it can go directly to the scalp. Now, keep in mind, when you use coffee for your hair, if you just put it on your scalp, once it dries, you will not smell the coffee. But if you like me and like it all over your hair and everything like that, you might smell like coffee. So just be aware. And also too, when I strain the coffee grounds, it's not going to go to waste because I'm actually going to put those inside of my house plants because they like coffee grounds. So give them some nutrients, right? So hopefully this helps you. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like the video, and have a great day.